Yes, we have discussed how we are going to insert and how we are going to delete. While inserting an item, what will happen? You have to increment what top value. While deleting an item, you have to decrement what top value. According to that, you are going to add or remove the data. Okay. You are going to add or remove the data. Now, you assume that we have a stack and we have a top pointer. Okay, we have what? Top pointer. Okay, if top is equals to -1 or null, it indicates what? Stack is empty. Stack is empty. Stack is empty so that you can insert an items into the stack. Suppose, okay, top is pointing to maximum stack. Okay, top is pointing to maximum stock. What will happen? It indicates that how many maximum number of elements you stored in the stack. Maximum stack indicates that what is the maximum number of elements that is stored in a stack. Once you exceeded this maximum value, it will go to where? Overflow. Overflow. Suppose I have taken a maximum value that is equals to what? 4. So how many items I can insert? Only 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, suppose if I want to add one more item, that is 50. It's not possible. If you insert also, it will overflow. Because we don't have a memory to store the value, that is what? 50. Okay, because my stack size is what? 4. Okay, I can insert only the 4 elements into the stack. If any one more item, if you want to add, what will happen? Overflow. In the sense, there is no space in the stack to store the value. Okay, this is the things you have to remember. Top is equals to -1 indicates what? Stack is empty. Maximum size or maximum stack, it indicates that the top reaches toward the maximum size, so that you cannot insert an elements into the stack. These are all the things you have to know. And the stack can be represented in represented in 2 methods. Okay, the stack can be represented in 2 methods. First one, static stack represented by using what? Array. Static representation can be done by using what? An array. And the second one, dynamic representation, that can be done by using what? Linked list concept. Okay, see, the stack can be represented in 2 ways. That is what? By using what? Array. And dynamic, that can be represented by using what? Linked list. Now, what is the use of array and linked list? So, as you know, array means it is having what? Only fixed size. Array means it is a collection of homogeneous elements, and what is the drawback of array means it is having only fixed size. Suppose I have assigned n is equals to 5. N is equals to 5. What will happen? I can insert only 5 elements from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 elements I can insert. Okay, suppose while executing a program or during the runtime, if you want to add any element, what will happen? It's not possible, because array which is having what? Fixed size, that is what? Your static. Okay, array which is having a fixed size, and stack which is having what? A pointer, that is top, which is having what? Top is pointing to -1. It indicates that the stack is empty. Once the top reaches to the maximum size, it indicates that you cannot insert any additional items. You cannot insert any additional items. additional items. Okay, so that is the first method, that is static array. And the second one is what? Dynamic representation by using what? Linked list. So in linked list, what will happen? See, while executing the program or during the runtime, if you want to add any size or if you want to increase the size of a stack, that can be done by using what? Linked list. Because in a linked list, we are using what? New node. We can create what? New node. Okay, from the new node concept, we can link or we can increase the size of what? Stack. Okay, see, in array concept, the size is fixed. Within that size, you can insert an element or you can delete it. Okay, but in linked list concept, if you want to add any additional memory, if you want to increase the size of the stack, that can be done. That can be done during what? Runtime, by using what? Linked list. Because in a linked list, we can create what? New node. Okay, with the help of this new node, we can increase the size of a stack. Okay, and what is mean by this linked list? Everything we'll discuss in detail in next coming concepts. And next we'll move on to what? What and all the operations that is performed on the stack. What and all the operations this is very important concept. Operations performed on stack. Okay, this is very important. What are the operations performed on the stack? So the first one is what? The stack operation. See, with the help of this stack operation, we can create new stack. With the help of this one, we can create new stack. So consider, we have created one new stack. With the help of what? Stack operation, we can create it, or we have created what? A new stack. That is the first operation. And the second one is what? Push. See, next operation is what? Push. Push means inserting or adding items into the stack. Okay, push means we are adding or inserting an item into the stack. So, addition of items. Okay, addition of items into the stack, we are calling as what? Push. Okay, see, suppose I have inserted 10. Suppose I have inserted 20. So push, I have pushed an item 20. That is means inserting. I have pushed an item 30. So with the help of this push operation, you can add an item into the stack. Then third one, pop. Pop indicates deleting or removing. Okay, pop indicates that deleting or removing an items from the stack. And fourth one, peek. Okay, see, this peek operation indicates that the top value of the stack. See, 10, 20, 30. Okay, 10, 20, 30, and one more I have inserted, that is 40. So what is the peak value of your stacks? That is what? 40. Okay, that is what peak indicates that top value of the stack. Okay, what is the top value of the stack? That is what? 40. Peak means the top value of the stack. And fifth one is what? Is empty. See, is empty, it will check whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, is empty, it with this operation checks that whether the stack is empty or not. And sixth one is what? Size. Okay, size operation specifies what is the maximum number of items you can insert into the stack. Okay, see, suppose here I have taken 4. My size is equal to how much? 4. From 0, 1, 2, 3. And top is always pointing to what? -1. but now we have now we have insert an item. Now the top is pointing to the 3. So these are all the basic operations of stack, and it is very important. The first one is what stack operation. It is mainly used to create new stack. And push and pop operations you are going to perform. Push means adding an element into the stack. Pop means removing or deleting item from the stack. Push item means adding an item. Pop means deleting or removing an element. Peak means the maximum top value of the stack. Here see the maximum value of the stack is 140. And is empty, it will check whether the stack is empty or not. And size, it going to specify the maximum number of elements that will be inserted in the stack.